In the serene, space-conscious world of Japanese tiny home living, every inch is a precious resource, and now here is the philosophy more evident than in the intelligent design of smart cabinets. These are not just storage units, they are silent partners in the daily rhythm of minimal living, merging of advanced function with understated beauty. Crafted from natural woods like hinoki or sugi, smart cabinet often blend seamlessly into the walls, echoing the clean lines and earthy texture of traditional Japanese interior. Sliding doors replace swinging ones, preserving precious circulation space while evoking the timeless appeal of shoji screens. But beyond their aesthetic grace lies a quietly sophisticated functionality. Each cabinet is designed with modular flexibility, hidden compartments, adjustable shelving, and fold-out surface transformed in response to daily needs. A kitchen cabinet may open to reveal tiered drawers for bento making supplies, a pull-out spice rack, and even a console induction cooktop. In the living area, a tall, narrow cabinet hides a fold-down table with integrated seating, perfect for a tea ceremony or remote work session. Sensor of soft close mechanism ensure that cabinets operate silently and efficiently. Motion triggered LED lighting illuminates interiors as doors slide open, and voice activated system allow residents to locate or retrieve stored items without ever lifting a finger. Integrated charging station and cable management keep electronics organized yet out of sight, preserving the tranquil atmosphere that defines Japanese interior. Sustainability is woven into every layer. Bamboo inserts, recycling wood composite, and VOC-free finishes reflect a deep respect for nature, aligned with wabi-sabi ideals of beauty in imperfection and transience. In this smart cabinet, tranquil traditional craftsmanship meets modern necessity. They embody the essence of Japanese tiny home living, a quiet, efficient, and deeply intentional use of space where form follows function and function honors the spirit of simplicity.